Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing some scoops that I got from ENAILCOUTURE. Here is my little receipt. So when I was ordering this, I used a coupon code. I actually used Femi Beauty's code and I got $10 off. So I was thinking, if I use a coupon code, will they give me less? But it seems almost like as of last week, they've started to make the boxes a bit smaller. When I was watching other people's unboxings, one scoop was a lot of stuff. So I'm going to unbox this and see what I got. I have a feeling it's going to mostly be foils, which I don't really want, but let's see. So the box I have on the right was kind of packed to the brim, so I feel like this one probably has a little bit more. I'm wondering if I'll have any doubles. I'm hoping that I don't, considering that I did 2 scoops in one order. These boxes are way too big for my table, so I'm going to have to pull the stuff out one by one. I'm firstly going to unbox the box that was on the right because it seemed more full, and that one I have a feeling it's going to be a bit more promising. The thing with these boxes is that it's a complete mystery, so it could be a hit or it could be a miss. So I'm not expecting too much. And I also ordered quite late. He did post a video, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, where he said he had 500 scoops available. And I've seen people have been going crazy with the scoops, so I feel like I ordered mine towards the end of all of that and might not get some good stuff. But let me stop rambling and let me show you what I got. So first off, I'm going to start off with a whole bunch of tips. Once I took the tips off the top of the box, I had a peek into the box and my intuition was right. I'm seeing a lot of good stuff so far and I can't wait to show it. But in the right box, I got 4 of the 1, 2, 3 Go tips. The first ones I have are these short clear ones. So these are just some short square tips. I had mentioned in one of my last videos that I'm going to start selling press-on, so I'm really happy to have these. I also have never tried their tips before. Next I have some of the sugar glitter pink almond tips. I believe I've seen this in my other box as well, but I'm not mad at it because these are pretty cute. Next I have some of the Princess Pink almond tips. This is such a pretty pink. It'll make for a nice base for like a French or just, you know, something with like a white design on it. And the last tips I have in that box are the honey peach almond tips. So a few of the tips have a chip on the corners, but I believe it's only in the size 7 that I have. Next in the box is one of these nail brushes. You can never have too many of these. I got 3 different caviar beads. I got the gold, I got the silver, and I'm happy I got both gold and silver. And then this one is just a few different colors, and these are way bigger. I was hoping that I would get some of the acrylic powders. I got the pastel peach, and it looks like a pretty color. I have a little fuzzy in here and I'm just trying to get that out, but the color of this is pretty nice. There was another acrylic and this is Confident, and the color is quite similar to the pastel peach. This one I would say is just a bit more on the orange side. I got 2 of the Spring Candy glitter gels. I am going to open this so you can see how it looks. I think I might do a part 2 of this video where I swatch everything, just so that this video isn't too long, but I will show you how things look inside of the containers. I just realized that these are not called the Spring Candy gels, they are the seasonal gels. But this one is the Autumn Candy. And the one I just showed was the Spring Candy. I got some of their 4-ounce monomer. One thing I will say is that I didn't smell this at all. Even after opening the box, couldn't smell it. And usually with monomer, you could smell it like right when it's been delivered, like fully packaged and all, but I still can't actually smell it. I had to bring it to my nose to be able to smell it. I got some more gems and some of those pearls. I was happy to see this in there because it's some bubblegum gel. This one is sealed. However, I do have another one of these that I bought a different time, and I'll show you the color that way. But I got the color pink. I bought this a long time ago and I've used it I think only once. The color is just a bit too light for me if I use it as a nail bed color, but the color itself is pretty nice. I got a happy gel, which I'm happy about because I've never gotten to try it before. I got the color Princess Pink. I'm gonna open this and see how it looks. I am loving this pink. It's like the perfect pink for a poly gel. Next, I got some of these brush wipes. I actually do buy these every once in a while, so it's nice that I'm not gonna have to buy another one of these for a while. But these are pretty good. I do recommend these. They included this cute little case. I think there's something in here, but this is pretty cute. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. All of you are born a princess. Your own magical nail story has just begun. Princess nail fantasies are now happening in your life. Let your pink out. Ooh, I love that message. But there was nothing in here. It was just this little tray rattling. But I do like this. This is pretty cool. I'm glad that I got one of these. I just got done watching Sick Tips video and she got, I believe, 4. So I was like, oh, I hope I get one. And I'm glad I got one. I have my swatch stick here that I painted white, and I'm just gonna do this just to see how green it is. Oh, I like that. That is pretty nice. I don't know why, but this green is reminding me of money. I feel like this would go great in a money nail set. Next are these marble nail stickers. I might actually like put this in a giveaway of some sort because I don't see myself using this. There is a 240 by 240 nail file. And there was also an orange stick. I don't use these too much, and honestly whenever I get them I lose them, but it was cool of them to add that. Next are the polishes, and I have a liner here. Also, just to add, I still am on box number 1, so the right box. I still haven't picked everything out of the box yet. So this is one of their gel polishes. This is the color 182 and it's some sort of like bronzy brown. I believe this might be the same line as the previous one, but this is 124 and it's a glitter blue. I got a shiny star top coat and this is the color Venus. I have one of these already. Let me find it. This one is Cosmos. I had seen Sandra's sparkly sets use it and I immediately ordered it, but let's see how Venus looks. Ooh, I love this. Look at that gold. It's almost like a peachy gold. This is real nice. The shiny star top coats are just a real nice addition to like a basic color. These are definitely something to have in your collection. And the last polish item is a liner, and it's a black liner, and I'm quite happy about that because of all sorts of colors to get as a liner, black is probably one of the best, as well as like white. So I'm excited to use this. The next couple of stuff I'm showing are the last stuff in that first box, and it's my least favorite of nail item, only because it's failed for me the couple of times I've tried to use it, and I cannot bring myself to like properly learn it. But it's foils. The foils are so pretty too. I might honestly like give these away in some sort of giveaway. I do actually have these ones, the floral ones here. I do think foils are amazing. It's just a nice way to get a pattern onto your nails super fast. But when I've tried something a couple of times and it's just not working well, I'm just like, it's not for me, and I'm gonna move on to the next thing. I will say this box right here has some real pretty ones, like that top row up here. Even these two, like, these are quite nice. These remind me of like the abalone shells. I think that's what they're called. So in the next box, I got 3 different sets of tips, but they are the 3 that I got in the first box. However, in the first box, I had 4. I had all of these plus the Princess Pink tips. I got another bubblegum gel, and it's the same color as the last one. I got another one of these nail brushes. Another nail file. I got the champagne color of the caviar beads, which is great because now I have all 3 colors. They also added the gold one, so I now have 2 of these. I got 2 more of these. I believe these are the exact same as the one I got in the first box. I got 2 more acrylics, and I'm excited about this color here, but I'm going to open this one first. This seems like it's going to be a really pretty pink. I like the silver pieces in here. But this one is number 13, PR Glitter. This one I'm excited to swatch because I know it's going to be really nice. Like, pastel lavender is the perfect name for this. I got 2 of the seasonal candy gels, and these are the same color, so I'm just going to open the one. Some more monomer. You can't go wrong with too much monomer, so I'm happy about this. I got some more of the Luxe wipes. I don't have to place an order with ENAILCOUTURE for a really long time because I got some of my essentials in some of these boxes. Next is some Happy Gel, and this is the same color as the one that I just previously got, so I'm not going to swatch this one. So I got the same 3 polishes that I got in my previous box, which makes me think that these might be pre-packaged and it's not, you order it then they scoop it. I mean, I could be wrong. So if it was done by order and they like scoop it there and then, I feel like this would be different. However, I'm not complaining. I think I might actually do a giveaway and give away some of these stuff, as well as some stuff in my nail room that I've like never touched. I got another ink, and luckily it wasn't green. I got a yellow one, and I'm happy that at least with the inks it was different colors. I got another one of these stickers. This is definitely something I'm giving away because I'm not really a fan of the pattern. This is day 2 of me filming, and yesterday when I was looking at it I was like, oh, it's not that bad, but I'm not a fan of these, so I might be giving this away. Next is this, and I'm not quite sure what it is, so I'm going to quickly open it and then put it on my desk. Whatever it is seems to be quite big, so I'm going to unfold it and then show you what it is. Okay, so this is huge. I'm gonna have to hang it up somewhere, then take footage of it. But it's the apron, and I'm really happy about this because I've messed up quite a bit of clothes due to gel getting onto it, and it just doesn't come out. So I've always seen this and kind of wanted it, but I'm just like, I could buy a regular apron anywhere else. But I'm really happy to have this. And the last items in the box are some foils. I think with the foils I didn't receive any doubles. This one might be a double, but I'm not 100% sure. This one up here is quite cute. I really need to like get on my Zoom and learn how to do foils. There have been so many helpful tips and tricks since I like gave up with it, so I do really need to try it again just so that I can actually say that I know how to do foils. But this one is really cute. I am curious as to why some are thicker than others. And then the very last thing in the box is an orange stick. So this is everything that I got. I'm honestly happy with this. I would say this is money well spent. I got 2 scoops which came up to $40, and I did use a discount code. I used Femi Beauty's discount code and got $10 off, which made it to where all of this stuff was actually $30. And then I think I paid $9.99 for shipping, but this is a crap ton of stuff and I'm pretty happy with what I got. The only thing I'd say I didn't necessarily care for was the fact that I got the same polishes, but outside of that, look at all of this stuff. Like, this is a steal. But if you guys enjoyed my video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching. If you got scoops, let me know what you got. Let me know if you were happy or not. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.